Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to transfer pictures from iPhone to laptop. Let's start. To start the process, open your settings in your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Photos. Make sure that iCloud Photos is turned on. For the next step, open your Google Chrome in your PC. Now search here iCloud.com. As you can see, our iCloud is open on the screen. Now scroll down and click on Photos. Now select any pictures or videos from here. Then click on Download. As you can see, the file has been downloaded. Now click on it. You can see the file I selected has successfully appeared on the screen. Repeat the same process with another file. Select File and click on Download. After it downloads, click on it. Now click on the play button. As you can see, the video is playing on the screen. This is how you can transfer pictures from iPhone to laptop. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.